Imagine stepping into California sunshine where Spanish revival whispers timeless romance through every sunlit arch. What if your home could capture that Wallace Neff glow, warm stucco, terracotta warmth, spring's eternal embrace? Step into this foyer and feel the Spanish sun wrap around you like a gentle embrace. Terracotta warms your feet while sunlight dances across stucco walls, whispering old California stories through arched windows. It's that first breath of spring, airy, timeless, alive. Shadows play softly on beams overhead. Here, every corner welcomes you home, promising warmth that lingers long after you leave. Pure Neff magic stirs the soul. Imagine sinking into this living room where spring light floods every inch, turning stucco golden and linen sofas impossibly soft. Beams arch above like protective arms, fireplace glow inviting quiet evenings or lively chats. Textures breathe, rough plaster meets smooth wood. It's cozy yet grand, a heart pulsing with family memories waiting to unfold. Sunlight promises endless afternoons of pure comfort. Gather here in the dining room, sunlight weaving through iron grills, casting lace-like patterns on the long table. Stucco glows warm, beams echo ancient haciendas. It's intimate magic, candlelit feasts or lazy brunches bathed in spring's tender glow. Wood chairs cradle you gently. Every meal becomes a celebration, wrapped in timeless elegance that feeds both body and spirit. Cooking in this kitchen feels like sunshine-kissed alchemy. Terracotta underfoot grounds you as light spills over butcher block and open shelves, making everything gleam alive. Arched windows frame spring gardens, herbs releasing faint scents. It's the home's beating heart, messy joy, shared laughter, wooden beams watching over hurried mornings. Warmth seeps from every surface, turning tasks into treasured rituals. This breakfast nook wraps you in casual bliss, sunlight pouring like liquid gold across terracotta tiles. Woven chairs invite lingering over coffee, windows teasing courtyard views, bursting with spring. Stucco walls hug the space softly. It's unhurried mornings, fruit bowls catching light, air humming contentment. Simple, nourishing. A gentle pause where day begins with quiet, heartfelt ease. Curl up in the family room where daylight chases away shadows, linen sectionals cradling you deep. Beams overhead echo laughter's history, stucco glowing like sun-warmed adobe. It's pure unwind, sprawled movie nights or whispered secrets. Spring light dances on every texture, turning ordinary moments extraordinary. Here, comfort reigns supreme, weaving bonds that feel eternal. Daydreams bloom in this office, sunlight streaming through arches to kiss leather desk and olive leaves. Terracotta anchors your thoughts while beams inspire focus amid stucco's calm embrace. It's your creative sanctuary. Ideas flowing free, spring air whispering possibilities. Textures soothe the mind. Every corner radiates purpose, turning work into joyful discovery bathed in golden calm. Lose yourself in the reading room's hush, where sunlight filters softly onto wingback arms and endless shelves. Terracotta glows underfoot, stucco walls cradling quiet dreams. Beams arch like old friends overhead. It's soul-deep peace, pages turning slow, light tracing words like secrets. Spring's gentle breath invites lingering, wrapping you in reflective bliss that feeds the spirit. Sunroom serenity calls you outside in, light exploding through iron frames onto wicker nooks and potted greens. Terracotta flows seamless, stucco alive with warmth. It's nature's extension, lazy lounging, spring blooms perfuming air. Beams shelter softly. Every breath feels expansive, joyful. This haven blurs boundaries, filling your heart with vibrant, endless possibility. Recline on this terrace where dappled sunlight kisses terracotta, vines weaving romance overhead. Stucco walls frame paradise, beams extending shelter. It's al fresco heaven. Lazy lunches, spring scents swirling. Iron table waits patiently. Air hums alive with promise. Here, home spills into eternity, every texture singing outdoor comfort that lingers deep in your bones. This house proves Spanish Revival's magic. Sunlight dancing on stucco and beams creates homes that nourish the soul. Let its golden harmony inspire your sanctuary, where every corner feels like cherished, sun-warmed memories.